Hi, this is Patrick from BIMobject, and today I will show you the newly released door sets from ASSA ABLOY Belgium. As you can see here, there's 10 different door sets for you to choose from, and in this case we navigate into the apartment entrance door. Here you will find all the necessary information such as product descriptions, links, related information, classification and region. This information is also dynamic, so when I switch to French here, you can see that all this information is actually in French. And if I want to go back to the English one, I just change the standard language back to English on the BIMobject.com portal. And this is also where you download the actual file. So if I click the download button, you can see that we have both the ArchiCAD and Revit files available for you here. So what I've done is that I've preloaded and placed one of the doors in the Revit. In this case, if I click doors here, you can see we have the lockable interior door hardware set, and it's available for you in 2D, 3D and info versions. And the differences here is the detail level or the level of development. So while the info door only has informational parameters, the 2D solution shows you the hardware as symbolic lines in elevation and plan, and the 3D is actual 3D geometry for the hardware set. We also, of course, have the different level of details here. As you saw, we switched to fine, and when I select a solution, we can actually in the type settings see the different hardware which is included in this solution, as well as links back to ASSA ABLOY and other useful information. So we'll jump into a elevation view here, and as you can see here, we have the symbolics of the 2D, and in this case also in the 3D we can tab in and select the separate hardware. And if I click edit type now, you'll see different information too when I click for the solution. This is the actual hardware specific information, structured in the same way as for the door solutions, but of course it points you in the direction of the specific hardware. And as mentioned, this is possible to do for all the hardware, so I can tab into the escutcheon here. We can also change the elevation to the south view, and in this case put it into fine level of detail and zoom in so that we can see the lock case, which I select here, and you can see we actually have the lock case selected. All of this is of course also available to do in the 3D view, and here you can also see that it's only the 3D version of the door that has this geometry represented. All this functionality which you have in Revit is of course available in ArchiCAD as well. So we'll jump in here quickly and I'll show you how you can get some extensive information about these door solutions through the BIMobject app. So what I've done is that I've selected the actual door solution, click the information button, and we have straight access to the same information as on the portal. So if you find these objects interesting and want to have a deeper look at them, they're available for you free of charge at BIMobject.com or the ASSA ABLOY Belgium website. Thank you for watching.